Fish is rich in essential vitamins like D and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, iodine, and potassium. Hello my dear YouTube friends, welcome back to Reena multi-channel vlogs. For those who love fish, this video is going to be amazing. Take the fish and wash it well with vinegar because washing with vinegar helps remove many impurities. Now cut the fish into the thin pieces. We will prepare a marination. Half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, juice of 3 to 4 drops lemon, mix all these ingredients well. Now coat the fish pieces thoroughly with the marination. Let the fish rest for 15 minutes. Next, we will make the gravy. For the gravy, take 2 onions, 4 to 5 cardamom pods, 1 tomato. Grind these into a paste. The paste is ready. Add half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, mix and set aside. The marination for the fish is completed. Now take a fry pan and add oil. Once the oil is hot, add the fish and fry it well, turning it over as needed. Fish are fried. Now let's prepare the gravy. In a pan, add oil, kasturi methi, grind paste and saute it well. Five to 6 mint leaves, now add fishes, and 1 glass of water. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Top it off with 1 tablespoon of butter. Now garnish with coriander leaves. Fish curry is ready. Friends, if you like the video, please like and comment. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.